I'm going to show you how to make a GIF on your Android phone without any third-party apps. And we're going to make it from a handful of still photos. Some Android phones have an option in the camera settings to also capture GIFs by swiping or holding down the shutter button. You just go into your camera settings and change the hold shutter button setting to Create GIF. My phone doesn't have that option, so I'll show you how to make these by using still images instead. Now that my photos are captured, we're going to go to the Google Photos app and then navigate to the Create tab on the bottom. Then we'll choose Animation, and you're going to select the photos you'll want to use. Could be as little as 2 photos or as many as 50. Select the photos and tap Create. And look at that, that's a GIF right there. You can watch and admire here and then use the share button to share it via text, email, quick share, whatever you prefer. Or you can add it to an album if you want to save it for later. If you're using something like the Samsung Gallery app, that'll also work. You'll select your photos, then tap Create and choose GIF. This example is not as good as the first one I had, but it's a GIF and you can share it or save it from here. And that's how you make GIFs on your Android phone. No third-party apps needed, although you can use those too. If you want to make a GIF from a video clip, you can do that too, but I'll cover that in a separate video, and I'll add a link to that in the description below. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.